Hey guys, welcome back to another motivating cleaning video. I am certain this is going to inspire you and get you moving to do all the things in your house. In today's video, I am going to start off in Noah and Josiah's bedroom. It is later in the evening and I'm going to go ahead and get everything tidied up before bedtime. Noah has really been helping me lately and it is so sweet. I love to see him get excited to make the bed. If you guys remember, in one of my last videos, I showed you guys a little hack with the twin bed. If you see there's not much at the top or the bottom, I've got it securely tucked in on the bottom and it helps to make their bed so much easier. I was trying to find an easy way or a hack to make my life easier so they could make their beds in the morning. There's my baby, you guys, Miss Willow. She has gotten so big. I absolutely adore big, giant, fluffy kitties. Here's Isabella's new little guy. His name is Amir and we rescued him from the Humane Society just like we did for Willow, and we absolutely adore him. He is amazing. I'm just using warm water and my regular old cheap microfiber cloth to wipe down these marble countertops. I've been trying to use less cleaner on here just because they're so fragile. So sometimes just some warm water does the trick. Onto the playroom. I got the kids this little teepee from Walmart. It was like $26 I think, and it is awesome, but it does come out every so often if they play around in here. So I'm trying to put it back together and then pick up the million Lego pieces we have in this house, y'all. Nerf gun bullets or Lego pieces. Can I get an amen? Everywhere. I just want to let you guys know, if you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Lynn and I post weekly cleaning motivation as well as motivation for everyday life, and I focus on mental health because y'all, it's important. But I like to share my journey with you guys, so if you're new, welcome, and go ahead and hit that subscribe button before you go. You guys see my tiny little man there trying to pick up all of his Legos to put into his room, but he got a little too overzealous and tried to do it all at once. It did not work. I tried to tell him he had to learn on his own. While I was cleaning, I noticed this drawer was giving me some serious anxiety. It is so messy. I've organized it before, but as you guys know, when you have kids in the house, it just doesn't stay that way for very long. So I'm going to go ahead and tackle this real quick and just throw away anything I don't need or it's broken, and then start organizing this just a little bit so it doesn't freak me out every time I look at it. I really strive to have a very organized home, but it's hard with so many people, so you just got to stay on top of it. I just wanted to remind you guys, if you are enjoying this video, can you please go ahead and hit the like button? It helps me out a ton. It lets me know what you guys are liking, and then I can keep it going for as long as you want me to. But go ahead and hit that really quick. I would appreciate it. Now that the organizing is done, I'm going to focus on this kitchen a little bit. It is so nasty. As you can see, it is after dinner, so I'm going to do a little dance and start cleaning it up. Drew, my sweet 14-year-old, decided to do a little, video bomb, but I'm actually going to put his channel in my featured list. And if you guys have any kids who like to watch streamers, check out my baby's channel. When I was putting things away, when I was cleaning up in the kitchen, I noticed the pantry floor was looking nothing short of disgusting. So this is a great time, 9 o'clock in the evening, to clean it up. So that is what I'm going to do, but this is real life. This mama does not clean before I do these videos, so here you go. All the crumbs and embarrassment are right here on YouTube, so I hope you enjoy it. Now I'm going to vacuum all this disgusting stuff up and get it cleaned.
The summer's calling.
I'm going to put the onions here in this little dollar store basket. I love it, and it is perfect for produce like
If the
this.
kingdom is overthrown, meet me at the cornerstone. I know that I can't be without you. This bond is solid gold.
I noticed in the pantry when I was cleaning up the floor that everything was so disorganized, especially with summer being here. It's been hard to keep everything really tidy, so I'm going to go ahead and tackle this real quick as well.
Guide you in every way. Now we've been through the cold and darkest days. The summer's calling. Summer's calling.
As you can see, my messy bun has gone wild, you guys. I've been cleaning for quite some time and it is a mess. I feel like these videos do not do it justice on how long it actually takes us to clean. But when we edit and cut certain footage out and then, you know, do time lapse, you guys, this is hours. Hours. It turns into 20 minutes.
'Cause when it's all over, the love that you give will be there to guide you in every way. Now we've been through the cold and darkest days. The summer's calling.
I want to encourage you guys to let me know in the comments below what other videos you want to see from me. Are you loving the cleaning videos? What else would you like to see here on my channel? I would just really like to connect with you guys and know what you would like to see.
If only I had listened for a while, I would have told you I miss your smile. I thought of you as a friend who can't let go, but when you left I could feel it grow like a body of water.
This evening I'm just using some regular dish soap as well as my awesome dollar store sponge here with vinegar and dish soap in the little pump and just wiping the sink down.
It was never under my control, you know.
As I am cleaning this evening, I'm actually listening to my favorite book, A Path Made Clear by Oprah Winfrey, and you guys, it speaks to me. If you follow me on Instagram, you know I have talked about this book so much. One of the things that I was reading tonight, which just, oh my gosh, gave me all the feels, was the Wholehearted Parenting Manifesto. And I'm just going to read it to you real quick. And I think as moms or dads or grandparents, it just speaks volumes in how we want to treat our kids. It goes a little bit like this: the Wholehearted Parenting Manifesto. Above all else, I want you to know that you are loved and lovable. You will learn this from my words and actions. The lesson on love are in how I treat you and how I treat myself. I want you to engage with the world from a place of worthiness. You will learn that you are worthy of love, belonging, and joy every time you see me practice self-compassion and embrace my own imperfections. We will practice courage in our family by showing up, letting ourselves be seen, and honoring vulnerability. We will share our stories of struggle and strength, and there will always be room for both in our home. We will teach you compassion by practicing compassion with ourselves first, then with each other. We will set and respect boundaries. We will honor hard work, hope, and perseverance. Rest and play will be family values as well as family practices. You will learn accountability and respect by watching me make mistakes and make amends, and by watching how I ask for what I need and talk about how I feel. I want you to know joy, so together we will practice gratitude. I want you to feel joy, so together we will learn how to be vulnerable. When uncertainty and scarcity visit, you will be able to draw from the Spirit that is a part of everyday life. Together we will cry and face fear and grief. I will want to take away your pain, but instead I will sit with you and teach you how to feel it. We will laugh and sing and dance and create. We will always have permission to be ourselves with each other, no matter what. You will always belong here. As you begin your wholehearted journey, the greatest gift that I can give you is to live in love with my whole heart and to dare greatly. I will not teach or love or show you anything perfectly. I will let you see me, and I will always hold sacred the gift of seeing you, truly, deeply seeing you. I was blown away by this, and I felt so motivated. I just wanted to hug my babies and just completely change my perspective on how I parent. I hope that this encouraged you guys and also inspired you to just be so grateful for the journey you are in.
And if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see.
I'm going to set the kids' water bottles out. They had camp and been needing these in the morning, so they're ready to go. You guys don't see this, but Noah will actually start crying shortly, so I start wrapping it up fairly quickly. I want to let you guys know that you can follow me on Instagram, Miss Lynn White, and if you tag me in any posts, I will be sure to share them. I love connecting with you guys over there. Also, if you guys are motivated, encouraged, I'd love for you to consider subscribing to my channel for weekly motivation. I am going to wrap everything up now and put the laundry here. I find some of Josiah's handcuffs. If you followed me on Instagram, there's a nice little inside joke there. Thank you all so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
We see curated, it's overrated. These expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is